Hello, good morning, good evening, good day. So, whatever time you're watching this, I'll, I've already greeted you in your time zone. So, let me show you the workflows I created for my chatbot. So, can you see my screen? I'm sharing this screen. This is my Facebook page. So, uh, my chatbot, I link it to my Facebook page so that uh, my clients, my potential clients who will visit my Facebook page will be assisted by my chatbot. So actually, the chatbot is one of the hardest topic that we have during our training, but I can say that it's one of the most difficult because it's very technical. So but at the same time, it is one of the most practical use in today's social media world. So it acts as a secretary or online secretary where people or our clients can be entertained or addressed by the programs that we create or the flows, the workflows that we create. So let's see if my chatbots are working. So actually, this is very basic. I'm just starting to learn it, but hope that this helps for those who are starting chatbot as well. And there's too much room to grow. So actually, if we can master this or improve our skills in creating chatbots, uh, this is very helpful for our day-to-day online transactions, uh, online business. So let's see how it works. Okay, so first, this is my page, and I can view this as the owner or as the owner of the Onyx Online Pit Stop Shop, or its acronym is OPS. Okay, so to be able to use the chatbot, we have to make sure, click the arrow down here, and make sure that the profile we're using is our personal profile. So the user interface will be changed to the public view. And then just when people visit our page, they will normally click the send message. Okay, so this is the click message. Okay, so now where's the get started? Okay, so actually the get started is not here. Let us try to repeat that, and let's close this. And then maybe refresh. And then let's see if uh, the chat succeeded. Okay, so actually there's no chat to be deleted, no history. Let's go to the app where we create the chatbot. So this is ManyChat. So this is where we one of the free apps to create chatbots. Okay, so let's go to automation, and then let's check our welcome message. So should be the welcome message we will see. So welcome message. Then once people reach our page, they should see the get started. Okay, so I'm just confused why the get started option was not found. Okay, so okay, so great. So this is the workflow that I created. Okay, so let's publish this. Okay, so content publish. So as you can see, this is the get started where my chatbot will introduce itself. It's called Auto. Okay, so let's now go back to my homepage. Okay, so again, let's try to interact as my personal profile. And then let's see, should show the get started. Okay, there we are. There we go. There we go. So it's get started. And then let's click that. Okay, so once our visitors click the get started button, it will automatically reply with the uh, workflow that I created. Okay, so hi, I'm Otto. Welcome to Online's Online Pizza Shop. So we'll show you the services. Okay, so let's see services. Okay, so please bear with me because I'm just new doing workflows for chatbot. So I still have to polish this more. So for the services, the reply is please tell me how can I help you. Okay, so let's see if this book of recall, content creation, and graphics creation are working. Okay, so book of free consult. Okay, so let's see that. So book here. So it will, once you click the book here for the free consult, will be directed to my Calendly. Okay, so let's see if it's Calendly. Okay, so here it's Calendly, and then our client will have the option to choose on his or her free time to book the call. Okay, so let's close that for now. And then let's go back to the chat box. Okay, so content creation. When the client clicks the console content creation, so the next reply will be, okay, great, great. Check my oops FB page. Okay, so will be directed to my Facebook page again. Okay, so where it all started. I showcase some of my contents, some of my posts, and some of my work. Okay, so let's see if it works. Oops, FB page. See if the link works. Okay, so please bear with me. It takes a little longer. Okay, let's close some windows. Okay, so here it is. The my oops FB page. Okay, so let's close that now for now. Then let's go back to the chat. Okay, so the third option is graphics creation. Okay, so for the graphics creation, I chose the workflow to direct the client to, okay, so let's see. Okay, so the graphics creation, it's it's directed again to Calendly. Okay, so as I said before, the workflow is not yet perfect, so I have to revisit this and improve this. For now, I'm just checking if all the links or the basic procedures are working. So now those are the links and they are all working. Okay, so I also created some of the keywords. Okay, so as a millennial myself, feeling millennial, okay, so here are the normally used words. So hi, okay, so okay, thank you for reaching out. I would like to help you more. Okay, so thank you for reaching out. I would like to help you more, learn about my products and services. Please book a call. Okay, so it's for hi. Actually, these are 5 words. Hi, then hello. Okay, so this workflow, these 5 words will have the same response. Okay, hello, and then after that, hey. So it's a little slang, but normally we millennials often use this word. Okay. Next is aloha. So from where I come from, it's Hawaii. It's aloha. It's hello. It's goodbye. Aloha. Okay. So it's replying as well. And then lastly, G. Okay, so this is the very common word that millennials nowadays use. Okay, so it's G for go, G for let's go. Okay, so G tayo dyan. Okay, so as we can see, it reflected or it replied the same message. So it will be directed again to my uh, Calendly to book a schedule. Okay, so that's my Calendly account. Okay, to discuss any inquiry about my products and services. Okay, so now it's support. Okay, so support. There are another 5 words. Okay, so support. Hi there, Rafael Nino. So that's the client's name. Okay, so for the support, the response is different. Okay, so hi there, Rafael Nino. That's a visitor's name. Thank you for reaching out. How may I help you today? Okay, so it's either they click talk to Nino or they click about us or the services offered. Okay, so these are 5 keywords. Another is information. Okay, so that's a wrong spelling. Information. So for the wrong spelling, actually, it still replied. Okay, so information. So let's see if the correct spelling will also give us the same reply. Information ni. Okay, so it still works. Okay, so the same reply. Next, help. All right, so the same message should appear as I programmed it. Okay, next is assist. Okay, so the same message. Maybe let's check if we can transfer to a bigger chat room. Okay, so that we can see the message. Okay. So it's the same message. And then after assist, let's see, need help. So need help. Okay. Let's see if if it works. Okay, so it's the same reply, right? So now let's see the links if they are all working. Okay, so talk to Nino. Okay, so talk to Nino will send the client or the visitor to my Calendly. Okay, so let's close that for now. Okay. Next is about us. So let's see where about us will lead us. Okay, it will lead us back to my FB page. All right, let's see if my FB page is working, if the link is working, or the workflow is working. Okay, please bear with me. The internet connection is a little slow. Okay, so there you go. It works. Next is, let's see, the last one. Okay, so services offered. Okay, let's click the services offered. And then let's see what services can OOPS provide for our visitors, for our potential clients. Okay. Okay, so here are some of the general virtual assistant skills that I've learned through the program. Okay, so advanced computer skills. Actually, we learned that from school and we develop it more during the training. Advanced skills in Microsoft, Excel, and Word. Okay, so that also includes Google Excel Sheets and Google Word or Google Document. Appointment setter, okay, branding and logo. So I've learned this from the training using Canva. Okay, chatbot creation. So this is what I'm discussing right now. Content creation and posting to social media accounts. So uh, it's very important to have a very visible social media profile. Creating and maintaining an email group list, right? So that's using MailChimp. Data entry. So this is basic typing or encoding. Email creation and response. General virtual assistant. So those are the skills. Graphics creation and video editing using Canva. Handling and answering emails. Lead generation. Organizing and filing using cloud-based databases like Google Drive. Portfolio creation. So we always create accounts. Social media management. Strong English communication skills. Transcription or transcribing. Updating of content and website data. Website creation and maintenance. Okay, so next, I still have 5 keywords created or workflow that I've created. So let's chat. Okay. Let's see what happens if our visitor types chat. Okay, so again, here's auto. Okay, and then there are the options. Talk to Nino, about us, services offered. Okay, so chat with Nino. Okay, so let's see. Chat with Nino. What will auto reply? Okay, so it's the same response. And talk to Nino. Okay, what will auto reply now? Talk to Nino. Okay, it's the same. Next is let's talk. Okay. Just wait for the slow internet connection. I'm sorry, guys. Takes a little time. So don't worry, time heals everything. Okay. So while we're waiting, time is healing what needs to be healed. Okay. Since time heals everything. Okay, so let's talk. It's a little slow. Maybe let's try consult. Okay. Okay, so consult gives us the same reply. Okay, so let's talk. Is not give us a reply. Let's try again. Let's talk. Okay, there you go. So let's talk. Give us the same reply, same as the rest. Okay, so for now, this is the chat bot that I've created, the workflow that I've created. It's very simple, it's very technical, but once we learn it, we can do great things using chatbots. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Take care.